Morning everybody, welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're at Gatehouse Wood in Sevenoaks in Kent. So we've been here for a week almost, and it's the Friday, so we leave tomorrow. I've been in the office in Dartford for Wednesday and Thursday, so we did Sunday, Monday, Tuesday here working. Wednesday, Thursday I was in the office. Friday I'm working back in the van, and tomorrow we leave. So as you can, don't know whether you can hear that or not. That's the A20 and the M26. So we're quite close to that, but facilities are pretty good here, and it's been quite peaceful. It's not adults only, but as you can see, the pitches are very big, and we get good Starlink, and you know, there's plenty of pitches and not very much noise. We're not fully serviced. We've got electric, no water, no disposal. No grey waste, so my grey waste is going in this yellow bucket here, which I tip out every now and again. But as you can see, it's, as I say, not adults only, so there's people over there with kids. There's lots of pitches. Big American RV there, turned up a couple of days ago. And then here's the toilet block. So gents at the back end, Elsan behind it here, gents here, ladies there, disabled there, and then here in this room there is pot wash and laundry. So it's pretty good. £5 for a wash, £4 for a dry. We'll try the dry tonight. We've done a wash already, but not with the dryer. As you can see, the weather's a bit poo at the moment. It's very, very warm, but grey. And on site as well, they've got these static lodges. And we've got this one here, Swift, they just brought that. And as you can see, there's two more spaces there for more lodges. And I don't know whether you can see behind here or not. Just up there, I can't zoom in, but that there under my fingertip is a new lodge being delivered. So there's plenty of stuff on site. It's very closed in, as you can see. It's surrounded by trees. Here is a children's play area. Not been noisy at all, but there's not been many children here. Over there, that grey thing, that behind that grey caravan, that on my fingertip there is an American fifth wheeler Rockwood. So there's all sorts of diverse things here. Big motorhome there, obviously I was the big American one. And then this building here is reception, coffee shop, information area, and barrier control. So it's barriered access. I'll just take it on and show you very quickly. This is not the biggest review of the site because it's early in the morning, I've got to start work, and I thought I'd get this over and done with quickly before we leave early tomorrow morning, or you know, late on tomorrow morning. I don't know when as yet, because we're going tomorrow, we're going to Peterborough for the night, and then from there we're going elsewhere. Morning. So I think maybe from Peterborough, I don't know, possibly we go to Cheshire. So there's reception. Little coffee shop, reception's open already, little coffee shop in there. There's your entrance. They've opened the gates up because this big thing has turned up on that big truck. Yeah, access is really easy from the main road. Main road at the top of the road there. Main road all the way down here. Two-way street, not tight or anything, so you can get big vans down. I mean, the big American motorhome came down anyway, so it's easy to do. So yeah, it's a very, yeah, I think it's a good site. Kate, not so much, because she's people can come and go as they please by the looks of things, which is not very secure, we don't think, but it seems okay. I would stay here again. Whether we do or not, I don't know. But facilities, if I've not already done so, I will put stills in of what it looks like, toilet wise for the gents. Whether Kate does it for the ladies or not, I don't know. But if she did, I'll stick it there. And as ever, everything in the description: link, phone number, location if I can remember. But for me, it's very close to Brands Hatch, which is very close to work at Dartford. So it was excellent. I got a lift in both days from one of my colleagues. I'm very grateful for that. And whether we use this again next time when I come down, I don't know. But, you know, it's not a bad, I don't think it's a bad site. Big pitches, plenty of them, a few seasonals dotted around, and just a bit noisy from the road, but no noise from the children. So there you go. So that is Gatehouse Wood in, I think it's Long Lane. I'll check. I'll put the address down below. In Sevenoaks in Kent. So fairly close to Maidstone, very close to Brands Hatch, and well, yeah, close to work as well, which is fantastic for me. So thank you very much for watching and coming back to the channel. I'll try not to witter this time, which I did in previous videos. Leave a thumbs up on the video if you like it. If you've been here, leave me a comment. Let me know when you stayed, what it was like, whether it was any good. We are only 10 amp here as well, so we've had to be careful. No kettle and air fryer at the same time, but the van, for some reason, she seems to absorb a few amps. So we've been topping out at like 12, 13 amps on the board, and we've had the air fryer on, but we haven't shorted out the pole. So your mileage may vary. You may do it, you may not. I wouldn't test it, because if you blow the electrics, then it's your fault. But for us, we could do air fryer, was fine. We've got Starlink on, we've got Alexa on, we've got servers on, and it was okay. We managed it. Next time where we're going though is 16 amp, so we tried to do that, but 10 amp is fine for us, and it's worked. We've not blown anything up, which is great. So yeah, so 10 amp, be aware of that if you come here. But it's a great site. Don't let that put you off. And literally, before I go, out the main entrance, through that silver gate that you saw before, up the road, 2-minute walk, there is a Shell garage, which has a small shop, a park and shop, I think it is. So you can get tins of food, you can get your wine, you can get your beer, and there is a deli, no, not a deli, there is a pastry shop on site. So you can get hot coffees, you can get pastries, you can get breads, you can get sandwiches. It's pretty good actually, it's not bad, and it's literally 0.1 miles away on the map. I'll try and put a map in here now if I can to show you whereabouts it is. But on that note, we will see you next week in another location. Bye bye.